Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can get your own free faces. So this is my profile. As you can see, I have this face here and I want to get a new face. So I'm going to show you how you can get your own face that you want for free. So first of all, you want to go to the catalog and you want to choose the face that you want. Go to body parts and go to faces. So now you have to find the face that you want. So let's just go high to low and choose the most expensive one, this one. Okay, so this is 1.1 million Robux, and obviously I can't afford that. So I'm going to show you how to get it for free. So you right click the image and click save as, and save it on your PC anywhere. And you should see that it comes up at the bottom. You click on the arrow and click show in folder. Now you should see the folder come up. Just leave that open in the background. Now you want to open Windows, the search bar, and you want to search for Roblox. And you need to find Roblox player. It's here. Now you need to right click and click open file location. And right click again and click open file location again. Now open the content folder and now go to textures. If you scroll down, you'll see a picture called face, and it is the default face. There it is. So what you want to do is go to the other folder which has the face you downloaded on, and you want to rename this image to the same as the face, FACE lowercase. Now drag it into the textures folder and you should see this. You need to click replace the file in the destination. Right, when it's done, you'll see that it's replaced, and now that's pretty much it. Now what you need to do is you can close these now. You need to go to the Roblox website and go to avatar. So if you have any faces equipped, you need to make sure you unequip them. Go to the body tab and go to faces, go to face, and then find your face and unequip it. Wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, I have the default face. This is what you need for the glitch, well, the method to work. So now let's hop into a game and see the face. And there you go. As you can see guys, I now have the tango face on my avatar. This was completely free and it works. You can try it yourself, and you can also do this with any face in the Roblox catalog. You can also download images from online and place it onto your Roblox face. And that brings us to the end of this video guys. Be sure to smash the like and subscribe button if this tutorial helped you. Also comment #freeface and I will heart your comment. If you have any video suggestions, you can also let me know in the comments section down below. So that's pretty much all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos.